the biggest Russian developer. In 2018, the company began active development of its IT branch, focusing on designing buildings with BIM technologies. Our entire designer team is currently working remotely. This was made possible with BIM modeling. BIM design system allows us to remain connected to a unified system of the building from anywhere in the country. All remote designers we employ work with 3D models. They need access to some serious hardware to do that. Now that I'm working remotely, I have more time to spend with my cat. It's also great to have some spare time so I can learn something new. I have some plans for the cold season. I would like to fly somewhere warm and work remotely from there. There are 3,000 of us now. We are people from 177 different towns, spanning the nation from Kaliningrad to Vladivostok. We always stay in touch, no matter where we are.
Now that I'm a designer working for PIK company, I can work from home. Working remotely suits me. I don't have to move to a big city, so I can stay with my loved ones. Working remotely enables me to spend more time with my family and my hobbies. When the COVID-19 pandemic hit, the market had to adjust for this new reality while minimizing the losses of funds and efficiency. Guys from PIK's BIMTeam project were no different. Equipment delivery took a really long time and it was pretty scary. So we encouraged them to quickly scale up their resources and offered flexible licensing terms for VMware Horizon. This got PIK's BIMTeam project over 1,000 virtual workplaces. VMware Horizon is a hybrid cloud virtual desktop management platform. With this platform, PIK's BIMTeam project and our team were able to quickly and efficiently scale virtual desktops and create a unified control and management plane. If it weren't for the VMware solution, the developers would have to install and maintain the software on their personal computers by themselves, and the administration team would then have to tinker with a huge number of devices. Horizon provides all the necessary resources in the cloud. An average computer with a stable internet is enough to start working. The Selectel project team wanted to complete the project quickly to avoid downtime and delays. We had all the necessary equipment in stock at our warehouses, which enabled us to deploy a private cloud on a very short notice. Now these specialists no longer have to come to the office. They can just keep working on their big and interesting projects remotely. This process allowed us to make a breakthrough in the construction industry, showing all players within it that it's possible to start working remotely.